Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to schedule a backup of your company data to Tally Drive using TallyPrime. TallyPrime Release 7.0 introduces the Schedule Backup feature for scheduling data backups to local drives as well as Tally Drive, a secure cloud storage environment. Once you create a backup schedule, TallyPrime automatically backs up your data at the scheduled time as long as your system is running, even if the application is closed. Let's see how to create a backup schedule to Tally Drive. In TallyPrime, press Alt-Y, Backup, and Restore. Schedule Backup. The backup data path is set to Tally Drive by default. Now, under Company Name, select the company for which you want to schedule backup. You can select one or more companies or choose all items to schedule backup of all listed companies. You can also select from the loaded companies. Drill down from Select Loaded Company and select the company as required. Once you have selected the companies for which you want to schedule backup, select End of List and press Enter. Now, enter the schedule details. Set the backup frequency as once, daily, weekly, or monthly. By default, it is set to daily, as it is recommended to back up your company data on a daily basis. If you choose weekly or monthly, you can specify multiple days or dates for the backup. Next, set the time of backup. It is recommended to schedule backups at non-business hours, such as the end of the workday, so that your day-to-day activities are not interrupted. To configure the method of backup and restorable versions, press F12 and enable the option Provide Method of Backup. Once enabled, you can select the method of backup as incremental or full. Incremental backup takes a full backup first and thereafter only backs up the changes made in the company data. This will save both time and storage space and is the recommended and default method. Whereas full backup takes a full backup of all your company data every time as per the schedule. Note that selecting this option will result in longer backup time and more storage space occupied in the backup data path. Select the method of backup. Next, enter the number of restorable versions. This means how many past backups from this schedule you want TallyPrime to keep available for you to restore. By default, TallyPrime keeps 7 versions, which means it stores the 7 most recent backups taken under this schedule. You have the flexibility to set this between 1 and 366, depending on how many past backups you want to keep for recovery based on your business needs. The option Take a Backup Now is enabled by default. This ensures a backup is taken immediately after saving the schedule, even if the schedule time is later. You can save the schedule now or set a backup password under Security Details before saving. This ensures that only authorized users with the backup password can restore the backup file. To proceed without a backup password, keep the Set Backup Password option as No and press Enter. When prompted, you can press Y to proceed with scheduling the backup without any password. Alternatively, if you want to add a backup password, under Security Details, enable the option Set Backup Password. Enter the password and confirm password. If you have selected multiple companies, this backup password will be applicable for all during restore. Under Email for Recovery Key, enter one or more email addresses on which you want to receive the recovery key. The recovery key will also be sent to the Tally.net ID you will be using to log in for backup to Tally Drive. You can use this recovery key to restore the backup in case you forget the backup password. It is recommended to check your email after creating the schedule to confirm that you have received the recovery key. Press Ctrl A to save the backup schedule. Log in to Tally Drive with your Tally.net ID enabled for Tally Drive services. Rest assured, Tally Prime will take the backup as per the schedule details. You can view the backup schedules in the Schedule Backup Report and the backups taken on Tally Drive in the Tally Drive Management Report. To learn more, refer to the videos how to manage backup schedules in the Schedule Backup Report and how to manage backups in the Tally Drive Management Report. Links are in the description. Thank you. On any screen in Tally Prime, press Ctrl F1 to learn how to complete the task.